So welcome to today's class on how to make the animations on our website. Okay, this is a very important part of our website, friends. So without the animations, the page looks, not it may not look attractive. In order to make the website very attractive, very functionable, highly functionable, we have to add some, animations also because animations will give you a beautiful look. All the functionalities when we open the websites which are having the animations as well. That websites can be also called as the dynamic websites. The websites which are having only static part, not changing, such kind of that means the blog content, the articles are not changing, the pages are exactly how they have made. They are not going to be frequently changed. Those kind of websites are called as the static websites. But coming to the part of dynamic websites, all the dynamic websites will be having the, additions. I mean, editings are going to be happen in the dynamic websites. Updations are going to be happen. Like when you see the Amazon website, Flipkart website, frequently they are going to change the products and updates, right? So such kind of website is called as a dynamic website. If you open any government website, the how whatever the thing is there, they are not going to change for a long time, right? So the thing which is not changing, that is called as the static website. Okay, the whenever we are going to frequently change the details of the website products information, that is the static web. I know, so dynamic website. So the you can find all the dynamic websites will be having the animations as well. So how to make the pages animations? How to give the animations on our website? So to give the animations, friends, we have to go to the settings of the animations. Okay, see here, you have to select this column. First, you have to select this column, and then you have to go to the advanced advanced settings, and then motion effects. We have to select the motion effects. Okay, scrolling effects. If I want, if there is no scrolling because it is the image here, so I do not want to apply the scrolling effects. Scrolling effects cannot be affected on the applied on the images. So mouse effects, these scrolling effects, all these can be applied on the text and the buttons. Okay, so if you go on down, you will be having the sticky. So uh, in order to if presently it is sticky, that where you want to keep it sticky, you can select the direction, I mean the location. Entrance animation also you can add. How whenever we open the website, how does it look? This image should look. How do you want to show up this image? So fade in, the fade in down, fade in left, fade in right, fade up, like that. Fade in means it will be like this. Fade in means it will be like this. If you select the fade in down, the animation will come up like this. Okay, I hope you are getting the thing what I'm explaining. If you apply for the fade in up, so it will move from down to up. Okay, so better to keep the fade in down. Okay, so now it is applied. Now I update this one. Now coming to this section now. So select this one. Under this one, what we have, go to the motion effects and then scrolling options. So vertical scroll, horizontal scroll. So you select this one. Okay, your digital marketing strategy. Go to the advanced one and then go to the motion effects, scrolling effect. Open the scrolling effect. So I would like to scroll down, scroll it. So it is in the horizontal mode, right? So I will open the horizontal pencil icon direction to left. I mean to right means it will be like this. From to right. That is now it is came to the right. Okay. If I select the to left, it will move like this. So what kind of direction I would like to give, and I can also select the the speed as well. Speed. very fastly it will come to right. To left it will come. Or if I select somewhat less time, within the less time it should come. Uh, very fastly now it is coming. Okay, little bit time. How much time it is taking? So viewpoint. So bottom to top like that it is viewpoint. So next one. Uh, Here, yes, scrolling effect. Now I am keeping the horizontal scrolling effect as on, and then mouse effects also we can apply. We cannot apply the mouse effects will be applied to the buttons only. Now entrance animation, how you would like to show. So we have applied the horizontal, right? So now I am updating now. Now I am updating. So when I scroll down, how it is coming up from. So you see here. Have you seen here? From left to right it is scrolling. Okay. And then this diagram is coming from the top to down. And the next one, you select this one now. You select this one. It is coming from right. Okay, okay. So select this one from right to left. Better. And this one to the left to right. Okay. Scrolling motion effects. Go to the motion effect. Scrolling down to right. Mm, okay. So keep it to left only. Anything you can give to right, and this to the these settings to the uh, and go to advanced settings, and then motion effects. Under the motion effects, on the scrolling effects on horizontal one to the right. Now you have to select to the left. Okay, to the left. It will come from left to right. It will go from right to left like that, and then apply the addition. Now here also you can make it as it is. Have you seen here how they are coming here? Or you can make this one also to the same, to right only, to right only. Okay. Not opposite direction things will give good look. And next, so remember friends, one thing, you have to apply these changes on the desktop mode, and better to give these animations on the tab and desktop only, not on the mobile. If you give the mobile mode, in mobile mode, every mobile is having its, screen level is different. So in most of the screens, the size of the screen is different, right? So it may not look, even if you give the animations, it will, what happens, the animation effect won't apply, and on your mobile screens, even if I applied, and I have seen on my mobile phone, they have hide it, even they are not showing, anything is showing, though the elements are present, because of the animation effects they are not moving or functioning on the website. So that's why better not to give any animations to the website on the mobile mode. So now coming to this session here, now we will apply. So good. Here now we will apply the animations to this session now. So go to the animations. So first one, you select this one. Go to the advanced one, and then go to motion effects. So scrolling effects, on the scrolling effects. This one I would like to make this one as to come from the to left. To left I have applied. Here. This is right, this is left, right. To left I applied the direction. That means from left to right it will apply. This will be. And to this effect, I will apply from right to left to right. I apply the motion effects here, scrolling effects to the horizontal to right, to right. it will come like this. And to this one, I will give the motion effects from bottom to top. Okay, motion effects, rolling effects from vertical up. That means down, like that. From down to up, it will move. That means, so like this. When I go come up here, it will come like this. Or we can make it somewhat different. If I select this one, go to motion effects, horizontal to right, and then you apply this one, horizontal motion effects to left, and select this one, give a horizontal effect, vertical effect as up. Okay. Now see here, when I scroll down, it will come like this. Is it? How it is looking good? How looking? How it is looking? Similarly, you select this one. So you try to see how the effects are working there. Motion effects, scrolling effects, on the scrolling effects, horizontal to the, so going back. So to right, to right, to right we have to apply. And then this complete session also we would like to show, it should has to be more to the left, on the scrolling effect, horizontal, this complete section to the left. So sorry. Okay. Is it? Now similarly here also. And this one, okay. Here we are not having, okay, these sections also we can make. So better to keep this section as it is. Excellently, the lighting effects have been made very good. It is looking very nice, right? So already these, hover effects are already applied. You keep this. So now you update this one. And to this section, we would like to give the hover effect to look up from down to up. So go to motion effects, scrolling effects, vertical to up. Okay. And then also it also will come. This complete session, if he wants to give, we can give. This one also. Go to motion effects, on the scrolling effects, this section. To this section I'm applying to the up. Okay. No, this one also applied. Whenever you scroll down, it will come like this. Okay. And then to this one also you have to apply. Advanced settings. On the scrolling effects, horizontal, no, vertical one, move up. Okay. Speed also we can select. And then like this section is completely moving now. So we can also apply the effects to this complete session now. In order to apply the complete session, we are not having the effects here to the box. Here friends, if you want to show this layout to the full of the website, complete from 0 to here, then you can select the full width. Okay, you can select the full width. If you see from here to here, that will be applied to your website. Have you seen how it is now looking? So as of now, it is not applied. The animation is not applied here. Here. So go here, go to the scrolling effect, motion effects, scroll the scrolling effects on vertical motion to the up. Okay, now it is moving. Okay, and then similarly to this section also, select the full width and then go to the advanced settings and go for the motion effects, and then on the scrolling effects, vertical effects to the up. Okay, now it is applied. Okay, and then these buttons, I would like to show these buttons from it should come from left to right, and these one should come from right to left. So how to do this one? So select this one, go to advanced again, go to scrolling motion effects, scrolling effects on horizontal to right, this one. Okay, and this one to right to left, this one. Okay. Motion effects, on the motion effects, scrolling effects, horizontal, right to left. Okay, that means they will come like this. So in order to showcase like that, initially it has to be, it has to be located on the left side. Okay, presently it is on the right side, right? So like that you can apply, and you can give as whatever the link you want to give, you can give the link. Okay, our case is also like that. We need to apply the animations. Whatever the section you would like to select, you can select this section and you can apply the scrolling effects. So I hope you got the clarity on how to applying for the scrolling effects on our website. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.